What's up, YouTube? It's your boy David, and I'm back again with another reaction video. And Badvillian, they came out with a music video for Hurricane when I think Hurricane came out 2 months ago, from what I'm seeing here on their YouTube channel. Like Hurricane, the performance video came out 2 months ago, and it seems like they re-released it with a music video, and this is a little longer. The original performance video has like 1 minute and 25 seconds. The music video has 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So I haven't seen either. Like I was trying to, I'm new to Badvillian. Badvillian are a new group. So I just say I'll just look at the music video, and then later on I'll see the performance video, see what's the difference and whatnot. But yeah, let's just get it. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that bass though. The Crown Taker, bro. That bass going heavy though. They're showing different cadences, the flows. Eyes blazing like Sauron. Okay, Lord of the Rings. Yeah, they're going stupid, bro. Yeah, their cadence, the way they move, bro. Even their vocals are crazy. Okay. Hey, baddie. Yeah, she has a great cadence right there, that flow. Okay. Okay. Yo, they know how to pick it up and let's slow it down. They have the confidence too. Nah, they went crazy on this. Nah, dog. Real quickly, because like I said, Hurricane, the performance video is only like 1 minute and 20 seconds, so I'll put that in here too. But that was just crazy. Like Hurricane, the with that bass was hitting, bro. And obviously, like I said, their cadence, their flows, bar none, bro. They got it on lock with that. Like the vocals in here was crazy too, like melodic rapping in sense as well. They're talking their shit, bro. They're talking their ish. They're saying how are they gonna come in? They're gonna come in like a hurricane, disaster. Like it's just wild. It's a force. It's something that you can't. Like if you see it coming, get out of the way because they're coming for the game. They're saying, like who's gonna stop them? Who's gonna try them? Because they're ready for it. They're ready for all the smoke. And the way they be rapping and singing, they competition, bro. They competition. But let's go and watch the performance video too, because why not? Okay, let's go. The performance video in 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, even the bass, like the beat is like higher pitched. You like the swag they have. Okay, look at that move. Pose. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, the footwork. Stupid. Nah, they have swag, bro. Okay, tutting too? Ooh. They're going wild, bro. Yeah, that smile tells it all, bro. Or like the beat just fades away. It's like a hurricane, bro. It comes quick and it's gone quick. Even the stage, it's like a hurricane. Just making sure there's nothing else. Yo, dog, that's wild. That hit hard. I just want to see something real quick. Uh, oh, are they in the same company as Vivi's? Vivi's? Interesting. But it'll take too much time. But I think this is like pre-debut, no? Hurricane. Um, I don't know, but regardless, that was crazy. The footwork, I love the footwork here. Using the mirror to have like almost looks like there's like more than three, like there's six of them, and how coordinated they are. The swag is there, bro. They have that confidence that say with the chest movements. Speaking of chest, that chest movement, one of the members did fantastic. I love the circle. Obviously Hurricane is like a circle. The way it moves, like it rotates. So they have like some circle movements here. So they're playing on the name Hurricane, and yeah, that felt higher pitched and more in the forefront on the performance video than in the music video, which is interesting. It looks like they changed it up a bit. I love the stage. The ceiling has like this like silver like hurricane style coming in. So the performance video did it a lot more for me when it comes just to the presence, bro. The tutting, the synchronization. Oh, bro, they killed it, bro. They killed it. I think this is my favorite song from them now, Hurricane. Like I'm gonna watch the performance video on repeat, bro. Bar none, fantastic. That was Badvillian's Hurricane music video and performance video in my playlist already. Like before this video ended, is in my playlist. That shit went hard. I can't wait for more. Then Hurricane, just sweeping people off their feet. Spin your boy. Peace and love.